Orthogonal trajectories. Orthogonal trajectories. First, we have to see what is the orthogonal trajectory. Listen carefully all of you. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. Listen all of you. Here, first we take the family of curves. Here, these are the family of curves, which cuts with the curve, which cuts the family of curves at right angle with 90 degrees. The family of curves which cuts with the curve at right angle with 90 degrees is called orthogonal trajectories. This is orthogonal trajectories. These are the family of curves which cuts of curve at right angle with 90 degrees. This is orthogonal trajectories. Now, working rule. Listen carefully all of you. Working rule. First point is an equation of the form. An equation of the form f of x comma y comma c equals to 0. Here c is the constant. We have to eliminate the c from the given equation. How to eliminate the c? We have to differentiate the given function. Then we have to eliminate the c. Suppose in the given equation, one constant is there. We have to differentiate with respect to given equation with respect to x. One time we have to eliminate c one time, one constant. Suppose in the given equation, two constants are there. We have to differentiate given equation two times. Suppose in the given equation, three constants are there. We have to differentiate the given equation three times. The equation one become f of x comma y comma dy by dx equals to 0. We have to differentiate equation 1. Then the equation 1 become f of x comma y comma dy by dx equals to 0. The next step is replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. Now, the differential equation of the family of orthogonal trajectories, final form is f of x comma y comma minus dx by dy equals to 0. This is the orthogonal trajectory, the family of orthogonal trajectory. Once again, listen here all of you. An equation of the form f of x comma y comma c equals to 0. We have to eliminate the constant. For that purpose, we have to differentiate the given function. Then we have to eliminate the constant. The equation 1 become f of x comma y comma dy by dx equals to 0. In this equation 2, dy by dx replaced by minus dx by dy. Finally, we get the family of orthogonal trajectories f of x comma y comma dy minus dx by dy equals to 0. This is required family of orthogonal trajectory. Next, we have to see one problem. Find the orthogonal trajectory of family of curve y equals to ax. Suppose this is equation 1. Here what is the constant? A. Y equals to ax. Here a is a constant. We have to eliminate the constant. Already we know the process. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x on both sides. Then dy by dx equals to a simply. The given equation of the form y is equal to x. Immediately eliminate the constant from equation 1. Already we know the process. Differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx equals to what? A. Now we have to substitute the value for a. From equation 1, a equals to what? From equation 1, a equals to what? Y by x. Now this value substitute in this equation. Dy by dx equals to y by x, a equals to. From working group, what is the next step? After elimination of the constant, replace dy by dx. Replace dy by dx, replace y minus dx by dy. Now minus dx by dy equals to y by x. First, eliminate the constant. We have to apply the differentiation. From this equation 1, we have to replace the constant. Next, replace dy by dx equals to minus dx by dy. Now, variable separable method. We have to separate the x terms and y terms. By cross multiplication, y dy equals to minus x dx. Y dy plus x dx equals to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. This is in the form of variable separable. X terms are separate, y terms are separate. Now integrating on both sides, we have to apply integration. Integral of y dy, integral of x dx equals to 0. Now y square by 2, x square by 2, that is equals to c square by 2. Every time we our convenience, we will take the constant. That is the rule. So that from this we take y square plus x square equals to c square. This is the family of curve. Or find what is the previous problem? Find the orthogonal trajectory of the family of the given curve. This is the orthogonal trajectory for the given family of the curve is x square plus y square equals to c square. Every time the constant is in our convenience, we will take anyone. C square by anything that is always constant. Here x square plus y square is there, so that we get c square. So that no problem, anything is correct. So that here we take x square plus y square equals to c square. This is the orthogonal trajectory for given family of curve, that is y is equal to x. Okay, all of you understood? Right.